Proper hand position, 9 and 3 o'clock position. Place your hands at the 9 and 3 o'clock positions on the steering wheel. This provides maximum control and stability. Alternative grip. Some drivers prefer the 10 and 2 o'clock position for added leverage, but the 9 and 3 o'clock position is generally recommended for modern vehicles. Grip technique, firm but relaxed grip. Hold the wheel firmly but don't grip it too tightly. A relaxed grip allows for better control and reduces fatigue. Using your fingers. Use your fingers to grip the wheel rather than your palms. This gives you more sensitivity and control over steering inputs. Steering techniques, push and pull method. Use a push-pull technique for turning. Push down with one hand while pulling up with the other to make smooth, controlled turns, hand over hand. For sharper turns, you can use the hand over hand technique, where one hand crosses over the other to turn the wheel. Adjusting for turns, look ahead. Always look ahead in the direction you want to go. This helps you anticipate the turn and adjust your steering accordingly. Smooth movements. Make smooth, gradual movements when steering to avoid sudden changes that can destabilize the vehicle. Controlling speed. Adjust speed before turns. Slow down before entering a turn. This gives you better control and prevents loss of traction. Use throttle responsively. Apply the throttle gently as you exit the turn to maintain traction and control. Practicing control. Practice in a safe area. Find an empty parking lot or a quiet road to practice steering techniques and control. Practice maneuvers. Work on different maneuvers like sharp turns, lane changes, and parallel parking to build confidence. Understanding vehicle dynamics. Know your vehicle. Each vehicle handles differently. Spend time understanding how your car responds to steering inputs. Adjust to conditions. Be aware of road conditions, wet, icy, etc., and adjust your steering and speed accordingly. Conclusion. Mastering how to hold and control the steering wheel is essential for safe and effective driving. By using the proper hand position, grip technique, and steering methods, you can improve your control and confidence behind the wheel. Always remember to stay aware of your surroundings and practice regularly to enhance your driving skills.